Here's a guide on how to add liquidity into CoinEx AMM market. So first, open CoinEx app, then click Exchange at the bottom of the navigation bar. Then select a market, right? Click here, then select a market like I'm selecting BRG-USDT pair, this one. Then click the liquidity pool. After clicking the liquidity pool, click add. At the add liquidity page, enter the amount, example 100 USDT or like that one of 1 coins, and double check and click the add button. So after the above steps, go to assets, then click the AMM, this one, not the spot trading, only the AMM. Then check your transaction fee on the earning, so click this earnings button, so you will see all of your earnings for daily earnings here. Then to check all AMM markets, so tick the sort, this one, the sort by APY, so that you can check the APY rankings. So right now BRG-USDT has 752% APY. Thanks for watching, guys.